Hey, what's up guys? Let's make air fryer spare ribs. 2 pounds of spare ribs, chicken bouillon, fish sauce, garlic powder. Marinate well. Cover with saran wrap and then refrigerate. Remove the saran wrap and place it in the air fryer. Cook in batches if you have to. Next, place in the air fryer at 15 minutes at 375. Alright guys, we're done. So I cut some up already. Oh, these are so freaking good. Look at these cuts. So it's charred on the outside, all in the air fryer. So let me go ahead and cut this for you. Try one. This was super easy to make, but yet so delicious. Pair this up with your favorite dipping sauce. I like to eat mine with jasmine rice or sticky rice. Wow, look at that. Follow for more. Here's one of my favorite go-to meals to cook when I don't know what I want to eat. Marinated lemongrass spare ribs, tomato pepper sauce jamaklin, and sticky rice. If you want to learn how to make this, I have it on my YouTube channel. Follow for more.